Hi everyone, my name's Ashley Nave, and today I'm going to be teaching beginners how to make an origami frog. First, let's talk about the materials you're going to need. All you're going to need is an 8x11 piece of printer paper. Now, I suggest this type of paper because it'll be easier, especially if it's your first time making this type of frog. If you want to do a smaller frog, you could always use an index card or a 5x7 piece of paper. Now, before we begin, I'd like to show you what the finished product will look like. So now we can begin making the paper origami frog. So, the first step is to take the top right-hand corner and you're going to fold it down so that this edge doesn't go past this edge. You want it to line up perfectly. And just make the crease. And you should have a triangular shape right here. And then you can unfold it. The next step is to do the same thing with the left side. So you're gonna bring the corner down, make sure it lines up perfectly, and make that crease. So, unfold it, and you should have an X that marks the spot. Now, everything we do is going to be symmetrical. What you do on the right side, you're going to do on the left side. So, you're going to take this side, pull it down to this point, and go right to the center, bring your finger straight down, take your left hand, pull the corner over, and you'll see this fold right on the inside. Press it and make it crease. So the next thing you can do is take your index finger, push it down, make this crease, and take your other index finger, pull it over so that you have a new triangle shape right here. And then just press all the creases on the inside and all the creases up top. Okay, so this is what it should look like at this point. And you should have two flaps right here. These will be your legs. So then you're gonna take the right hand corner, you're going to pull it up so that this corner comes right up here, and again it should be a straight line and almost like a little baby triangle right here. You're going to take the left corner and you're going to do the same exact thing. So now you should pretty much have a square up top. You'll have this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner. And you should look at the bottom, this empty white space that you have down here. You should look that as this is a section and then this is a section. So we'll start with the section on the right. All you have to do is fold it in half and then make the crease so that it looks like this. And then with the left side, you're gonna do this same thing. You're gonna fold it in half and make the crease. Okay, so it should look like this so far. And then you're gonna take this bottom 2 inches and you're gonna pull it up, but you don't want it to pass that bottom corner of that square. So you just pull it up and make the crease. In order to make the frog jump, you're gonna take the top half of the 2 inches and you're gonna fold it down like so. And we're pretty much finished, except this last part I prefer to do. It makes the frog stand up a little bit more. All you have to do is fold the legs just a little bit like this. And now you have a jumping frog.